Yo man, what's the deal, man? It's Chris from Godsend Trading again. I just wanted to drop a quick little video kind of explaining what I do, what I basically specialize in, which is cryptos, period. I invest and I trade. So specifically, when I say invest, particularly I'm talking about like buying on Coinbase and then transferring. Like Coinbase is an app on the iOS phone, it's an app, regular app. You can just download it, and from there you can buy your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and a few more. But mainly I just stick to like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, because Ethereum and Litecoin specifically, because they transfer quickly. Once I buy my Litecoin in Ethereum, I transfer it to Binance or Cryptopia to buy altcoins, which are lower cap coins. And that's what I did when I made a lot of money from last November to January during the 2017 like winter bull run. So that way you have a lot more exposure to just a lot of lower cap altcoins that may pop, just based on the technicals and the hype around them that are just starting out, and maybe they're dropping news that are, they're just dropping their mainnet. They just had their ICO, they got new technology come out, and they're new. So that's the ones you kind of want to hop on early and obviously make some big gains like I did last. I did like a 5x. So that's one type of investing, just on the actual exchange, trading them, buying low, selling high. You can only make money if it increases in value. What I do now is trade on Metatrader4, which is I'm trading crypto pairs, which means like Bitcoin versus USD, Ethereum versus USD, Litecoin versus USD. I'm trading Forex. I'm doing Forex, which is a totally different ball game than just investing into what I just told, which is just like, just buying altcoins, buying low, selling high. Because on Metatrader4, which is a platform widely used for Forex traders, foreign exchange market, you can make money when it goes down as well. And that's a whole new ball game, because like, say for instance right now, we're in September 2018, and ever since the January bull run, the market hasn't really had too much volume, hasn't really had too much just, influx of money. So like, the prices are low, but I'm still able to make money on Metatrader4 because I'm trading very technically on the charts when they go up and down. So it's, obviously I'm making money when it goes down, not just when it goes up. If I could only make money when it goes up, then the upside is, you can still make money, but the upside is very limited, because you're basically cutting it in half, because you can only make money one way. I can make money two ways now. Not only that, I'm using leverage. I'm using the leverage that the brokers are giving me. Specifically, I use Hugo's Way, which I just got approved for. I was using JFX, but these are brokers in the, for Forex that allow you to trade cryptos. Not all Forex brokers allow you to trade cryptos. But specifically, I just wanted to break down those two things. Like, there's two different things. When somebody asks me, how to trade, I'm like, what type of trading? Because when you talk about cryptos, you can trade obviously those two ways. And then a lot of people trade on Robinhood as well, which I've never really traded on. I started trading on Robinhood when I traded stocks, but when you talk about like trading cryptos, like for me, I want to make money both ways. I want to maximize my potential also, and I want to use, leverage. I want to be able to multiply my gains. Like specifically when I did the 3K to 20K on demo, I was able to make, $4,000 in one day. Whereas in order for me to make $4,000 from my relatively small initial investment, the coin would have to be like Doge or XRP. Like, it would have to just go crazy. Like, it would have to double, triple just for me to make that type of money. Whereas if say Bitcoin rises, let's say it rises $200, say it's like 6,300 and it goes 6,500. Every dollar could mean $10 for me. You know what I'm saying? And that's obviously, you do the math, 200 times 10, that's $2,000. Whereas, the percentage gain wasn't be nowhere near $2,000 from my pocket. So it's a whole different ballgame when you talk about Forex cryptos versus like altcoin cryptos on Binance and Cryptopia / Coinbase. or Robinhood, because you're only making one way. I just wanted to break that down for you guys, and obviously I focus on Forex crypto pairs. So with that comes a lot more technical analysis. When I'm on, I mean, you still do it when you're on, Binance and Cryptopia, but for me, when I was trading on Binance and Cryptopia, it was mainly fundamental analysis, which means like news and stuff like that. Right now, I'm using a lot more technical analysis, which means I'm looking at support and resistance levels. I'm looking at, is it going high or low? I'm looking at the RSI. I'm looking at the volume. Trying to see, what's going on, what's really going on, what's the numbers telling me. I'm looking at the real data, and I use ADX as well. I use the MACD as well. There's a lot of little indicators I use on Forex that I did never touch, and that's helping me, when I'm actually trading Forex pairs versus trading on Binance and Cryptopia. So with that, it's two ways, obviously. So I just wanted to break that down real quick. Thank you.